Hello my dear students, welcome to this new episode of the video. Now in this video, we'll talk about installing Laravel, okay? And quickly, I'm just going to go to the documentation and to access that laravel.com/docs and this will redirect you to the latest version being 6 point, I think, 4 as at the time of recording this video. So I'm going to just copy this composer right here command. Okay, then I'm just going to I'm gonna hit on the shift key, okay, and then I'm gonna hit on the open partial window, paste that command and replace blog with fellowship. Great. So this will take a couple of seconds to to load, and I'm just gonna pause the video till this goes up. Now one other thing is, if you having issues, okay, with this load and you want to increase the load time, you could install a Laravel package called the a composer package called the composer prestissimo. Okay, so just find it on GitHub or Google it, composer prestissimo, and then you install it. Okay, it's going to make the the download process or creating of your Laravel scaffolding application quite more faster than usual. So guys, I'm gonna pause this till it goes up completely and I'll see you. Okay, welcome back guys. We've got Laravel installed completely, and right about now I'm just gonna go to the folder where we installed Laravel, okay, and then I'm just gonna open PowerShell window here, and we'll say php artisan serve. Okay, just to test run this and see how it turns up. So I'm going to go to our local port, okay, and bam, we've got Laravel installed. Okay, so I'm gonna open this real quick in PHP Storm. Okay, okay, so I think this is already opened up for us correctly, and under the hood I'm just gonna check something real quick guys. Now in the controllers folder, you see we already have some authentication scaffolding created for us that comes directly with Laravel. Okay, so this is good because in the previous session of Laravel you have to do the Laravel make auth command to create all of this for us. Okay, this is nice. Now in version 6.0, when you come to the public folder, you don't see any assets or CSS or JS file, which in previous version you would see an app.js and an app.css file and folder right here. Okay, now this is so because Laravel is now um, segregating its code from its design, okay, so that you can customize your design whichever way you want, okay. And now you would need to run some commands, okay. This composer require Laravel UI dev, which is in the authentication channel, authentication or the security section and the authentication tab, to bring those assets and CSS folder back in place. But right about now we're not going to bother about that because we are not going to be using that. We're going to be creating a simple authentication mechanism, okay, in this course. So quickly I'll just introduce us to our design right here, okay, the HTML CSS design, which I already had set up before this course, and I'm going to share this folder in the resource section of this video. So if you go to the index right here, you see we have the simple user interface, okay. We have the profile, we have the followers, and this lovely scroll bar right here, and we have a load more button, we have the following, and we have people, okay, and this time around we have a search option. Okay, so For this to actually work, we need a kind of authentication mechanism whereby a user will be authenticated. Okay, user needs to be logged in, and so for that I created a simple login interface and a register interface. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where we be plugging in these interfaces, okay, to our blank Laravel application. Bye bye.